Hello, this is Nindy Kerr, and welcome to another video from Nindy's Creative Corner. Today I'm going to show you how to make this cool embossed seashell. Anyway, we're going to make a different variation of this card using the Seashells dies and the Seashells 3D embossing folder and some vanilla cardstock, which is right here. So you'll use this extra large die. Yes, you can fit it this way, just barely. Might have if I would have taken this off first. Okay, make sure it's all the way on the cutting plate and the cardstock. I don't know, I still prefer doing it this way. That way I don't have to worry about any parts getting cut off. Should have brought my die brush in here. Okay, now we'll get set up for an embossing folder. Now for this part, you'll feel that there's a part that's raised and a part that sinks down. We're going to cover the part that sinks down, although if you're insecure you can do both sides. And you just rub it. And make sure and get the large shell. I don't know, it's hard to tell with this light color how well you're getting the pieces inked up. Now we will take this part and lay it carefully. I like to match up two opposite corners. Did I do it right the first time? I guess I did. Anyway, just line them up. Close your embossing folder. We removed plate 2. So we have plate 1 and plate 4. You can see how nicely the ink inked up the die cut. It doesn't do so well on the leaves, but I like the effect on the shells. And when we did this at class, my friend wanted to just use that whole piece on a card, so that's what I'm going to do. And we're just going to make us our card base. And for all embossed things, I like to use Tombow glue. Just make sure and only use thin lines. Because if you get globs, they will squish out and make a mess.